that I have to go. I can't believe I have to know. So get into my car, get into my life, get into my heart. You know what I like. Could give me something that I don't know how to live without. No, I don't wanna miss, and I won't let this get past me now.